These right here are healthy vegan chickpea tacos. If you like flavorful spicy food that's easy to make and friendly on the budget, these are for you. And of course, they're made healthy vegan style. No oil, no wheat, no refined sugar, no rice. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so the first thing we're going to do to make these delicious tacos is make the filling. Let me tell you what's going to go in the filling. We're going to use some organic chickpeas, some coconut aminos, some oregano, some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, onion powder, and some smoked paprika. And we're just going to take the chickpeas and kind of just grill them here and add these seasonings and the coconut aminos, get it mixed really well, gives it an excellent taco flavor. So let's get to it.
Now, one of the things I'm trying to do in 2024 is respond to requests that I get from lots of people. And one request I get a lot is to make more budget-friendly, quick and easy meals. And that's exactly what I'm doing here, and I intend to do more. Now, I'm not using any oil or water to cook this taco filling. I'm adding the chickpeas to my pan. The idea here is to dry them out a little. Then I'll add the seasonings and coconut aminos. Now I'm going to mix and cook this until the liquid has evaporated and the seasonings are nicely coating the chickpeas.
Okay, so now I've been cooking my beans and mixing in the flavors really well. Now I'm going to add my cherry tomatoes here.
And easy as that, the filling is done.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my organic sprouted tortillas, organic and sprouted, the only way I buy these, and I'm just going to heat them up so we can put our tacos together.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
Okay, now for the fun part. All that's left to do is top my tortillas and then we're done.
So, one common misconception about eating a healthy vegan diet is that it's really expensive. But these tacos are a great example of how simple it can be to make healthy and flavorful meals without breaking the bank. Now, the base of this recipe is chickpeas, which are super healthy, filling, and cheap, especially if you opt to purchase them dry. But even a can of organic chickpeas costs only about $1.30. All in all, this recipe makes 6 tacos and costs me a little over $10 to make. And if you're not using the organic ingredients, it's even cheaper. So this is definitely quick, easy, and budget friendly.
All right, guys, they're all done and they look wonderful. These are super easy to make, full of flavor, friendly on the budget, and of course, super healthy. This is one you definitely want to make. Let's give them a taste. Guys, if you like tacos, you'll love these. Super healthy, super easy, and friendly on the budget. You can't go wrong with these. Gotta make them. You'll enjoy them, trust me. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipe, look below the video for the word more. Tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.